Have you experienced anxiety, paranoia, or mental fog using cannabis? What if you could enjoy all the benefits like relaxation, fun with friends, or better sleep without these negative side effects? And what if that same method actually supported your brain health? That method? It's CBD. You might think CBD is just another health trend, but in this video, I'll show you why I changed my mind and became an obsessive researcher and educator of CBD and cannabis. Hi, I'm Keiko. I'm a bartender at a wellness dispensary. Before that, I worked at a high-quality CBD store, helping customers with everything from anxiety and pain to sleep issues. And what I didn't realize at first was just how powerful CBD can be when paired with THC. But before we dive in, let me be clear. Nothing in this video is medical advice. Much of what we know comes from preclinical studies and real-world experiences. Always consult a medical professional before trying new protocols or products. If you've ever felt anxious, paranoid, or just off after using THC, you are not alone. THC can be an incredible tool, but it can also cause problems. THC is biphasic, meaning it can have two opposite effects at different doses. At low dose, it can relax you and relieve stress. The same thing at a higher dose can exacerbate anxiety and even paranoia. And this sweet spot is widely variable depending on the individual's chemistry and conditions. So, how do you avoid this unpredictable experience? That's where CBD comes in. CBD, or cannabidiol, is another major cannabinoid, but unlike THC, CBD doesn't bind directly to CB1 receptors in the brain. Instead, it modifies this shape, making it harder for THC to bind too strongly. Think of it as a smart dimmer switch. It lowers THC's intensity while preserving its benefits like mood elevation. And the results? CBD may reduce THC-induced anxiety and paranoia, weaken THC's addictive potential, and it may even prevent memory loss. Here is what a study in the British Journal of Pharmacology found. CBD can oppose the cognitive impairing effects of THC. The addition of CBD to THC-containing therapeutic products may help to ameliorate unwanted cognitive side effects. That's not all. CBD also has neuroprotective properties, meaning it may help keep your brain healthy by reducing inflammation, supporting new brain cell growth, also known as neurogenesis, and protecting mitochondria, your cell's energy source. That said, science is still evolving. Some studies show mixed results and more human trials are needed. And that's all the more reason cannabis needs to be legalized to allow more funding for research. But the good news? CBD is widely regarded as safe, and more doctors are recommending it over pharmaceuticals for anxiety and pain. So how do you add CBD to your THC routine? If you smoke cannabis, try choosing a balanced CBD-THC strain. This is rare, but ask your dispensary. Mixing CBD flower with your THC flower. 1-to-1 is a good place to start, but even 1 part CBD to 5 parts THC makes a big difference. Try taking a few CBD puffs after smoking THC. This can instantly calm anxiety in most cases. Here's a tip. Keep some CBD flower handy in case you or a friend gets too high and anxious. But inhaling any smoke is not ideal for your lungs. For a healthier alternative, use tinctures. Tinctures offer precise dosing, faster effects than edibles, longer effects than smoking, and full-spectrum benefits of cannabinoids and terpenes. Many THC tinctures already combine CBD or other cannabinoids like CBN for sleep or CBG for daytime clarity. Ask at the dispensary or search online and find the right combination for your needs. Another great option? Water-soluble CBD or nano CBD. You can find it in drinks, gummies, or a powder mix you add to a beverage of your choice. This kicks in within 5 to 10 minutes, so if you ever feel anxious after THC, this can provide a quick relief. Edibles that are not nano CBD take at least an hour to kick in, but last for 6 to 8 hours. So you can use that to your advantage by eating a CBD gummy before you leave your house if you know you'll be consuming THC in a social setting. Now, where do you find CBD? CBD is federally legal, so it's available in all 50 states, but the market is flooded with low-quality products. Here's how to choose wisely. Look for certificates of analysis or COAs with lab results. Avoid brands that don't clearly list THC content. Some CBD products contain high amounts of THC even if they don't say so. You can also order CBD hemp flower online. But be sure to keep the printout of COA that comes in the package. It's difficult to tell whether it's hemp or high THC cannabis, which is not legal in some states. Also, smokable hemp is illegal in some other states, so check your state regulation. Final takeaway. Balance is key, and listen to your body. Everyone reacts differently to cannabis, so pay attention. Keeping a journal is always a good idea. Have you used CBD to balance THC? What was your experience? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your story. And if you want to hear why I started this channel, watch this video next.